The effect of the changing nature of enterprise on the development of projects. 1. Offshore development. An Australian enterprise hires programmers from another country to develop part of their new database system because labour costs are lower, but the team has communication problems due to time zone differences. This is offshore development because the enterprise is using workers from another country to build the system. One advantage is lower cost because overseas labour is cheaper. One disadvantage is communication problems caused by different time zones, which can delay the project. 2. Working remotely. A company allows employees to work from home using cloud software and online meeting tools, but some workers feel less connected to the team. This is working remotely because employees are using the internet and cloud tools to work outside the office. One advantage is flexibility because workers can work from anywhere. One disadvantage is weaker communication because team members are not in the same place. 3. Freelance work. A business hires a freelance web designer for 2 weeks to create a website instead of employing a full-time worker, but the designer leaves after the job is finished. This is freelance work because the enterprise hired a worker for a short-term task instead of a full-time job. One advantage is saving money because the business only pays for the work needed. One disadvantage is less reliability because the freelancer may not stay after the project. 4. Growth of startups. A small business uses cloud storage, online payments, and social media to start selling products without needing a large office, but the company has strong competition from other online stores. This shows the growth of startups because technology allows a small business to start and run online with low cost. One advantage is low setup costs because cloud services are cheap. One disadvantage is high competition because many businesses can start online easily. The changing nature of enterprise shows how modern businesses use technologies such as offshore development, remote work, freelance workers, and startups to become more flexible, reduce costs, and improve productivity. But these changes also create challenges such as security risks, communication problems, and increased competition, which must be carefully managed during project development and implementation.